Hello friends, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. Hope you all are sharing and liking my videos. So today let's start making a biscuit cake in 5 minutes. See, we need very less ingredients such as 35 to 40 marigold biscuits, dark chocolate 250 grams, coffee powder 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 tablespoon and 1 cup of hot water. First we'll melt the chocolate with double boiling method. Make sure the vessel above should cover the vessel below and water present in the below vessel should not touch the vessel above. And also the chocolate should be in room temperature. Stir chocolate continuously until it turns into a syrup. Next, in a vessel, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 1 cup of hot water and 1 tablespoon of sugar to it and mix it well. Now dip the biscuit in the coffee solution and place it carefully, then apply chocolate syrup on top of it and repeat the process. Once all done, cover the soaked biscuit with chocolate syrup. And keep it in the refrigerator. After 10 minutes, spread the chocolate syrup in the other side and refrigerate again for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we'll take the cake out of refrigerator and keep 5 minutes in room temperature. Then cut the cake into small slices. You can make chocolate chips with the leftover syrup. So our biscuit cake is ready and also the chocolate chips. Isn't it make one and get one free? Now enjoy your tea time with this delicious biscuit cake and share and like my videos. Bye!